I'm David from RIDGID. I'm here to talk about the RIDGID KJ 1750 water jetter. I'm going to go into some of the features and benefits of this jetter and also some of the uses of the machine. Essentially, this is a 1750 psi jetter. It's going to give you 1.4 gallons per minute. It's going to be used to clear soft blockages and to bring the pipe that you're sending this down back to its original capacity. The unit itself has adjustable pressure with the pressure gauge. The unit also has dual stage pulse, and the pulse can be used to put some vibration into the head to help you navigate around the tight corners that the lines may have. This unit actually has the first level of pulse here, and that's going to isolate this dampener and allow the vibration off the motor to work its way down the line. Second level of pulse would then be put into play when you have a real tight corner and you want to get the head to vibrate around the line. As far as the heads go, this unit is going to allow you to work in 1.5 to 4 inch lines. It comes with a penetrating nozzle, a propulsion nozzle, and there is also an optional spinner nozzle. What those two are going to do is the penetrating nozzle is going to work its way through a soft blockage. The propulsion nozzle, both will drag the line down, drag it down the line. And essentially, when you're using this tool, you're going to send it out as far as you can. You're going to bring it back 2 feet, let it go back in a foot. Bring it back 2 feet again, let it go back in a foot. And what that's going to do is it's going to break up that clog and it's going to send it down the line. So the KJ 1750 is designed not only to clear the soft clogs, but also to clean the line out right back to its original capacity and its original size. Excellent tool from RIDGID, electric powered, 1.5 to 4 inch, 1.4 gallon, 1750 psi.